Okay, so happy Wednesday, January 21, 2026. So welcome from the Friday the 13th and Saturday the 14th. Saturday in trams, like a Friday. So we have Friday the 13th and Valentine's Day of Saturday. Let's begin. Okay, so there is Friday the 13th. His name is Jason Voorhees. He has a knife and also a chainsaw to kill people really bad because he has to stop making bad things. And also he is really going to jail. And we're talking about Saturday, the 14th of February. We should love people to respect them. And also, we love mommy, daddy, ate, the sister of ate, and also brothers. They invited the party for the Valentine's Day card and the list that we do. We should be loved by parents, guardians, teachers, or classmates as well. So they can love them. They can give chocolates to teachers and also give love to them and give candy or flowers you can love. And we should respect or love families, cousins, parents, and guardians as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe more videos and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for the button. And see you soon.